carry on. I love discussions like that.
Now we were just trying to figure out how to get him an antenna on his apartment there in California.
Yeah.
Well, if you're running low power, you can do very well with a magnetic loop.
Yes, I know. I can run low power, but I have issues with getting more than coax out my window. And
Okay, well, you let me see if I can find my old word.
Yeah.
So, all right, so who's got the ability to send code tonight?
I think I figured out how to get my sound right. I don't know if it works, but I could try.
Okay, Cindy, I know you can, right?
Hey Scott, I got a couple of
a chance.
I got a couple of questions before we jump into sending code and stuff. I was
Okay.
going through a couple of things on the anatomy of a QSO. Okay.
Yep.
And I was kind of going through it, and the things I've picked out. What is the real difference? I was listening to an anatomy of a couple of videos and stuff. Why would you use a BT versus a BK?
Well, a BT is just a break.
That's correct. But this anatomy that I was looking at was using BTs as breaks, but then it's at towards the end they would switch to BK. Why? The slash.
Well, BT a break, da 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 da. That doesn't
Right.
transfer control.
So
that doesn't transfer control. That's just the end of a thought. So
okay. So then does the BK transfer control?
Yeah.
Okay. And then he was at the end of the transmission, he was doing SK. Does that shut everything down?
Da 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 da. Yep, that's the last
Yep.
thing.
All right.
Da 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 da. That's the end. And actually, if you're closing for the night, you do da 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 da. Literally, if you're like closing the door.
Did.
Da 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 da. CL.
Yeah.
That.
Yes.
I have another commitment at 7 tonight.
So do I.
I think this is the last class, and I wanted to say goodbye and thank you for all of this. And if I've learned a great deal on this class so far. It doesn't appear to be so, but it is true. Just ways to listen to the code, listen to hear it, and so much other information connected to it. So thank you very much. And I'll be leaving at about 6:30.
So are you finding that you're getting ready to make a contact on the air?
Are you asking Lois?
No, yeah, I'm asking Lois.
She has no way to make a contact on the air at the moment, except maybe on 10-meter where nobody else is. So
except that at 8:30 on Thursdays, we do our slow code net on 10 meters every Thursday night at 8:30 p.m.
And this will be one of those nights I won't be there.
Oh,
Okay.
we do it next week too. And the week after that, and the week after that, and the week after that.
I have Thursdays at 7 booked for a ways out there. So 8:30,
8:30.
I'll be back. Okay, if it's all set up, I can rush back and maybe be there.
On
Okay.
28450.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, we're there every week.
Okay.
It's a lot of fun.
Eventually, I hope to see you there then.
And we slow down as much as anyone asks us to.
Okay.
So
28450.
Yeah.
Okay.
But where are you?
Oh, I'm 10 meters. I won't be able to get you. I'm in I'm in Northern California.
Yeah, you won't hear us.
Well, get a bigger antenna.
Nah, you still won't hear us.
No.
No, you still won't hear us. But, that's just the way things are sometimes. So, and actually while we're talking, I'm still looking for the thing that I was looking for. So, carry on, keep asking questions. I'm still trying to find the thing I was looking for. Somebody's got questions, right?
I have a question.
I have a
Good.
question.
Good.
Let's say, first of all, I heard CQ,
Da da
and
da da
I
da da
actually,
da.
yeah, I actually heard it. The guy was desperate enough where he slowed down. Unfortunately, my key's not hooked up to the computer yet, but I was actually close enough where I would have considered stumbling through. What is the most efficient way if somebody sends something and you don't understand? I'm thinking more of the shortened abbreviations. Do you just put question mark, or is there a QSL for I don't understand something? Because it'll be obvious I'm a rank beginner.
I cannot right now.
I think question mark is a good one, but I'll wait till Scott says something.
Just sort of you think question mark and repeat whatever they sent, because there are abbreviations that I don't think I'm going to follow.
Or say
So-
again.
So there are, I mean, the most common one is AGN
Again, okay.
again, or and then, or again, question mark. I'd say again, question mark, or just question mark.
Okay, that's good enough.
So that's what I would do. And I'm still looking for this thing, and I don't know if I'm gonna find it. So whatever.
You're looking for a pot of gold or something like that at the end
Yeah,
of the
no,
rainbow?
it's not. It's something that I have that I just wanted to bring up, but I'll keep looking for it. So who's gonna be sending tonight?
Mike.
Can I try? I don't know if it works, but I can try it.
Yes, go for it.
Okay, here we go.
You don't have auto. I don't think you have original sound turned on.
Oh, okay. That's right. We were gonna go with, let's see, the 3 dots. Enable original sound.
Yep.
Okay, now let's try it.
Now, one question I have is, can you go to a lower pitch? Can you change the pitch, or that's it?
It is set.
That is what it is. Okay.
Is it bad?
No, it's just a little high. But we can
Fine with
we can
me,
all hear
Scott.
it. Yeah, but we can all hear it.
Okay.
Like I said, everybody has a certain pitch they like. All right, so who else can send? Cindy can send. Who else can send? That's it? Okay. Mike, how'd you like to take your turn calling CQ and other people can copy?
Okay. I haven't heard a lot because I don't have a radio. So I'm new to the whole CQ setup, but I will do my best.
Okay.
Since I don't have a call sign,
Yeah, we got to fix
just say
that.
Mike.
We got to fix that. Yeah, we got to fix that.
I'm working on getting it.
Okay, good.
Got to get my license, but so should I just say Mike?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Or you can make up a call sign, but I would just say Mike.
Okay.
Okay, you'd want to put a DE in there before, because you need to say it's from you.
After the CQ.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So,
Okay. All right.
is that all you do?
Yep. Well, then did you send a K at the end?
No.
Yeah. Okay. So, does anyone want to reply?
I don't know if mine will come through. My battery was dead, but I can give it a shot.
Okay.
What do I say?
Well,
What's
his call sign for tonight is Mike, because he doesn't have a license yet. So
start with his call sign?
yeah, which is Mike. Yep.
Okay. Can you hear this at all?
Do you have original sound for musicians turned on?
I think I do. I think it's just to give me a few minutes here. I'll try and get the
Okay.
volume turned up. I have a Morse Sereno if you know,
Yeah,
and
I
I'm
have
just
two.
Uh-huh.
I got to figure out how to turn up the volume. So I'll put you on mute for a while.
Okay, who wants to answer? I mean, I can answer. Here. Okay, I'll answer. That way he's not on the spot.
Uh,
Here we go. Can you hear what I'm sending?
Mhm.
I can hear it
Yeah.
a little fast.
Well, okay. I mean, I'm sending my call sign. So,
Oh, okay.
and there's the KN. All right, so now I just answered. And if you need some help, you would say, again, again, question mark. So try doing that. Try doing again, question mark.
If I can remember how to do a question mark.
Okay, and I'll send it again.
Did I get it right?
You did.
Oh, and you
Okay.
did a KN, right?
Yep, I'm calling you.
Okay. And then
So if you got it, then you repeat my call sign so I know that you're talking to me.
and then
And you got to say it's from you.
oh yeah.
Okay. And now we're just into a contact. So typically you'd send a break at this point.
That, is that right?
Da 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 da. Yep, no gap in there. Okay. Now you just start, you introduce yourself, you give me a signal report, tell me who you are, where you are. I mean, we're just, we don't know each other, so,
Okay.
you know.
Right.
Now you need a question mark. Now you
Oh
need a
yeah.
comma. Now you need a comma.
Would a period work?
Not if you're going to send the state. You don't know where I am, so I
Oh,
don't know where
okay.
that is.
Okay, comma is did it no did it da.
Da 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 da. Okay, and then you probably want to repeat it.
Question.
Well, go ahead and
I'm
send.
tr
Go ahead and send another period or a break. Okay, Cindy.
I'm trying to copy. Is that Veneta
It's
or?
Veneta.
Yes.
Okay, I don't know that city, so I'm
It's
trying to figure out whether I got it
it's
right or
about
wrong.
as big as Kiloquin.
Yeah. It's just west of Eugene.
Shorter spelling.
Did everybody get Veneta?
Yes.
Thank you.
VENETA.
Now, Scott, I've never sent to anyone, so is my spacing okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
What does everybody think? Decent
Yeah.
fist?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay. And now you did say I'm in. You could also say that's more likely what you'll hear.
QTH.
Yep.
Right.
But now you can now since we already know that part, I don't know who you are. So you can say my name.
Oh. Okay.
Remember, you're totally introducing yourself. This is a complete unknown.
Oh, sorry. How do you say start again?
8 dits. And you probably want to repeat it.
Just the name, right? Not the.
Yep, just
Okay.
the name. All right, and how do you complete a thought?
Yep.
Yep, you can that right, a period or a break. All right.
Oh, okay. So let me try a break because that's new to me. I'm not used to the break thing. Like, is that it?
Yep, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, and you want to give me a signal report?
Uh,
You're 599?
Well,
Yeah.
and don't forget RST.
Oh,
I don't
RST.
know what signal report entails.
Okay, so signal report. If somebody's 5 and 9 in sideband, the R, S, and T are R is readability from a scale of 1 to really 0 to 5. S is signal strength on a scale of 0 to 9. T is tone on a scale of 0 to 9. So you have to critique my signal.
0 to 9 on.
Well, no, it's RST. It's series string of 3 numbers.
Right. 0 to 9 on S and T.
0 to 5 on
2 to 5 on.
readability.
What's the R?
Readability.
Read.
How I understand, right? Understandable, readable.
So I would say
So you can say you are RST RST. Okay, give me a report.
do I say is or just
I'll figure it out either way.
okay?
Ooh. And repeat it just in case. Okay, and were you here for the cut numbers discussion?
I was not.
You were not. Okay. Well, don't forget to send a break. Okay, so cut numbers. So let's say that you know that there's an RST, and I send you an RST, and it's. Oops. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Okay, did you get that? RST, and I sent you a 599.
RST 599.
599. Okay, I can also do this.
5NN.
Yeah, N is a cut number shorthand for 9.
Okay.
A 0, to shorten a 0 in context, can just be replaced by this.
One
A
basically
da.
a T.
Yeah, a T. And a 1 can sometimes be shortened to this.
Nice to bread.
What?
Is that you? Did you give Oliver bread?
Yes, he had a piece of bread after I had it. That's a 1. And this is a cut 1. Just the letter A. In context is a 1.
Okay.
So like if you were to say 599, what you'll usually hear is
Okay.
we get that a lot. So let's see. Now you need to send control back to me, right?
So that would be a KN.
Well, you need to exchange the niceties, right? You say that it's coming back to me from you.
Which is KN, right?
Yeah, but you have to give our call signs.
Oh.
Typically.
So, okay. So now I say Mike
No.
M7JI.
Well, no. Who is
From
sending it?
Mike?
Who are you talking to?
So I say from.
Right. Well, I mean, like, I would say, like, how would I answer the phone? Or, like, let's say, hey, Mike, this is Scott. That's basically the same thing. And you'd say, hey, Scott, this is Mike.
Okay. So I would say Scott,
N7JI.
Mike, back to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Do I say a DE in between?
Yeah. Just
Nah, you want to send a KN.
Okay.
And they're all run together.
What's run together?
There's no gap.
On the KN.
Right. Yep. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to switch over to a hand key. Okay, here we go. Okay. Everybody get that?
KK?
R.
I mean,
R.
RR.
Yeah, I received it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, what are those letters? Everybody? Anyone?
Hey. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, GA. You got Mike?
Mike.
Yeah.
And
Yes. And?
Yes.
And? As soon as you know the word, just blurt it out.
Nice.
Nice.
2.
T.
meat.
Yeah. Neat.
U.
Yeah.
You.
Here we go.
Dash.
Here we go.
HK.
No. You guys are
no.
mixing up R's and K's.
HR.
Here.
HR. Here.
Oh.
Name.
Name. Yep.
Is. Bob.
B. Bob.
Yep. What's the signal report there?
79.
379. Okay, what was that? Everybody get that?
QTH.
QTH? Did you get QTH? QTH
Is.
is.
Waiting.
I'm going to repeat it. Okay, where am I?
Walton.
Walton. Yep, I'm in Walton.
So you're about 10 miles from me.
No,
15.
He's
I'm
making
actually
it
in
up.
Eugene. But
Oh,
I also said I'm Bob today, so
oh, that's true.
I'll
all right.
copy.
How copy? Did you get HW? These are the shorthand things that you need to know because you'll hear them all the time, and they will
So
be utterly baffling otherwise.
HW is how do you copy,
How do
not
you
just
copy?
how.
Yep. How do you copy?
Did you didn't do a K after, right?
I did a KN.
You did a KN.
Hmm.
Okay, I missed that.
All right. So now how do you do the exchanges again? Got to do the exchange. You don't have to
Right.
do the exchange, but at some
But
point,
it's courteous to do the exchange.
well, at some point it's not necessary. It just wastes time. And then you can just say like DE Mike, because we've already talked back and forth a few times, so it
Okay.
becomes unnecessary to do that.
Okay.
So your choice.
And you did ask me how to copy, right?
Well, did you send our call signs yet? Or did you send
Oh,
DE?
I did send DE Mike.
Okay, and then you do a break. And then you tell me how'd you copy. Now, the easiest way to say I got it all is a single letter. Everybody,
R.
did audit? Yep. Okay. And it's up to you. And then you could send another break. Or you could say something else of interest. It's totally up to you. Or you can say, I'm tired and I gotta go. Or it's dinner time, thanks for the contact, and then we can call I can call CQ, or someone else can call CQ and Cindy can answer or something.
Okay.
So it's you can extricate for yourself from a contact whenever you want.
Is that right for thanks?
Yeah, that works.
Uh, Is
You
there
can
a
do
better way?
you can do TU or TNX, or you can spell out thanks. Either however it works for you.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. What would you call the contact? Thanks for
QSO. QSO.
QSO. Sorry. How do you start over?
8 dits. And you can call me by my name, since that'll ensure that I know that you got my name.
And then
You can do a period or you can do a break, either way. And then what's the way to say salutations? Best regards.
there's SK. No.
Somebody?
Not me.
73.
7-3.
73. 73, not 3-7. Okay.
Yep. And that's all you really need to do. Then you sign, give call signs and
I, so 73 isn't the end, or it is?
no, it's not. It's just
Okay.
salutation. It's goodbye
It just okay.
salutations.
Thanks a lot, and then we go through,
Call signs.
and I do Scott from Mike.
Yep.
Okay.
And then to finish it out, da 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 da, which is SK. Okay, and I'd go. What was that?
Thank you.
Yep. Who got that?
Oh man.
Old
MM.
old man.
Oh, old man. Okay.
Mike again. And what was that I sent?
Good night.
G.
GN.
Oh, good night.
Good night. Okay. Da 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 da. And then you'll hear people do this. And you'll hear the dit dit going back and forth.
That's
All right.
just a done, right?
Well, and it comes from this. Yep, that's
Got
where
it.
it comes from. Okay, so who else? Who else? Not me. Who else has the ability to send tonight? I know Cindy does, and who else?
Maybe. Here, try it.
It's still killing it. Do you have?
I may have it on, but if you don't want to go, do you want to go
No,
through
no,
it?
no. Well, yeah. Well, let's do it. You're on a PC.
Yeah.
Okay, lower left hand corner. You've got your audio. It looks like a little microphone. On your Zoom window.
On my Zoom window. Okay,
Yeah.
just a second.
And nothing else matters.
Oh, here it is. Okay, it's under mute.
Yep. So if you click on the little Zoom window, or click on the little up caret, there's like a little up arrow next to the microphone. Click on audio settings.
Okay,
Do you see
got it.
like a whole window that says settings?
Yep. Original
Okay.
sound for musicians. It's already on.
Okay. So you clicked on the button. Okay, that means that when you go back to so go ahead and close that. And
Okay.
now up in the upper right or upper left or somewhere there should be something that says original sound for musicians.
Okay.
Is
It
it
says
on
it's
or
off. Yeah.
it needs to be on.
Yeah.
Just click on it and it'll turn on.
Okay. It's back on.
Okay.
Any better?
Oddly no.
I heard a bunch of DAs.
I
Well,
heard the
Yeah.
first one and then it went quiet.
yeah. What microphone is it going through?
Uh,
Well, I mean, is
uh,
it on your headset or through the
no,
computer?
no, it's not under my headset.
Try
It's
it
on
on the
the.
headset, just for the heck of it.
I don't think I can. No, it's not
Oh,
plugged in. I can't do
oh,
that.
okay.
So it's on my. It says Realtek high definition audio. The microphone array. So it's coming through the. It's just not work. It's not coming through.
Okay.
I don't want to waste your. I appreciate
It's
it.
entirely possible the computer has some filtering as well.
It's an old computer. It's
Yeah.
just we're
Well, but it's part of Windows
okay.
potentially.
Thank you for trying.
Yeah. All right. Who else? Anyone else? All right. I guess I'm gonna call CQ. All right. Did anybody get that call sign?
Dad,
Yes, Hannah.
You,
there's a bread all over the floor.
All of it. He doesn't want it. Did you
I
get the
got
call
part
sign?
of it.
Well, then I'll
Up.
call again. Did you get enough of the call sign to answer that time?
Was was it W7PXL?
Yes.
Okay.
Sounds like you did. Sounds like you should reply.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah. Sorry, let me.
Well, that was right.
Except I have too many spaces in between, so I have a D and then E.
Yeah,
But
I still
anyway.
got it.
Okay.
This is real. So.
Okay. So let me try again.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what are you going to send me at the end of that? You're not going to send a break. What are you going to send?
I'm not sending you a break.
No.
Oh, okay.
What did I say?
Again? Something again?
That's it. Yeah. Anybody get that?
Please again.
PSE, please.
So do I say your call sign again
No,
first
because I
and
know
then
my
mine?
call sign. I know
Okay.
my call sign. And since I had a tough time copying it the first time,
Oh, wait.
you'd probably want to send it
Twice?
twice. Wait, you don't want to send me a question mark?
I was wondering whether you get it, but
Well, how do you send it
okay.
back to me? Ooh, a BK. You sent me BK back to you. Okay. Well, now I got it. Okay, so what did I say?
You said KK7AZ Z? No,
I said a B. Question mark. In other words, I didn't quite completely get it. This is what you're going to go through on the air. This is real. So you're going to confirm it again. You're going to send me your call sign twice. You know why?
oh.
You know why I'm making you do this.
No.
Come on, what are you going to send at the end of that? Yeah, exactly. Okay, what's that word?
Here.
No.
No. Sorry.
Sorry, SRI.
About.
About ABT.
That break.
Sorry about that with a break.
Head.
Had.
Big.
Big. Come on, everybody.
YRT.
Oh, that's a Q.
Oh, QRT. QRT.
No.
QRM.
QRM. I had big QRM. So why couldn't I copy you?
You got a lot of interference.
I got a lot of interference. I'm explaining to you why I couldn't copy you. I just sent you a
Thank you. And then
Yep.
back to.
No, I didn't send it back yet.
Oh, that. Okay.
my name now.
Andy?
Andy.
Andy?
Yep. Okay, what did I just say? Where my QTH?
OR, just Oregon.
I just Oregon, yeah. Like I'm in Oregon. It doesn't matter where, right? So I don't know where you are, but I'm just sending very quickly. I'm in Oregon. Okay, what was that?
You have 599.
599. Perfect signal report. What's that word?
When?
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 No.
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 QRM.
QRM.
QRM, yeah. 599 when no QRM. Okay, so everybody catch that. This actually happens a lot because I operate from our station over at the Eugene Science Center. I'm also the trustee of W7PXL. And sometimes I will be operating as one station with one call sign and give my own. So that is not uncommon for me. Did everybody catch this?
HW?
Yeah, how copy?
HW question mark.
Yep, how copy? All right, Cindy, I just passed it back to you. All you.
Back to me.
Yep.
Run out of words to say. Okay.
You haven't told me anything yet.
Ah. Mm.
You haven't told me anything about you. Yeah.
Ah. That was dumb.
What did you send?
I sent you my QTH as California, but then I sent you a question mark. I
Yeah,
meant
you did.
to send something else. Sorry.
Well, then you send.
Then do I repeat again my QTH? Okay.
There we go.
That's what I meant to send.
Yes.
um.
Ooh, rig. Everybody get rig? You better send that again. People like to talk about the stuff they're using and their antennas.
Ah.
Okay, did anybody else notice what rig she's using? This is actually really important.
ICOM 7300
Yes, but how did she send 7300?
with the shortcuts for the
Yes, you use your
zeros.
cut numbers. Good use of cut numbers. Did everybody get that as opposed to 73TT? Or understand what the hidden meaning is?
I did not.
So
But
Cindy, you
now it
better.
makes sense because we just talked about the cut number. So
Yep, Cindy,
So-
send that 7300 again.
Did Richard have something to say?
No, I was just coughing. Sorry.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, what else do you want to say? Everybody get that word?
ANT.
Antenna.
ANT?
Antenna.
Is. Ooh. Anyone get what that antenna was?
OQ.
OCFD.
Off center fed.
Off center fed dipole. Better send that again, Cindy.
Is that better?
That was perfect.
Uh,
What are you gonna? Well, you've had it for a while, so what are you gonna do? You're gonna pass it back to me, right? Because one thing that could happen is if let's say you've got it and you're sending for like 4 or 5 minutes. What has happened to the band in the last 4 or 5 minutes? Well, you don't know. So if you keep it short, that kind of hopes. Like I used to have contacts where I would be talking to somebody and I'd send for 10 minutes because I was really really slow. 12 minutes, and I'd be done, and they were gone. And it's not that they went away; the signal went away. Okay, I just sent from W7PXL. FB, fine business. What was that word?
Hate.
H8.
Hate. Hate.
That's what I thought you said.
Hate to. What was that word?
Run.
Run.
But.
But. I.
Here. Yum. yummy dinner. No.
Dinner.
Bell.
Dinner
Bell.
bell.
Thank you.
And
And see you.
see you.
Again.
AGN again.
SN.
In context, see you again
Soon.
soon. Everyone get 7-3?
7-3.
Okay, so now that's back to you. Thanks for QSO.
Mm.
You.
See you. Again. I think that was soon.
Sorry. Should I
Sorry.
send it again?
Yeah, send it again. OM. Good use of old man. And you can just say DE and then your call sign.
Oh. What did I use? I think I used my call sign.
Yeah, you did.
Goodbye.
All right. Well, I just sent. How would you reply to my tip? There you go. Okay. So I found the thing that I wanted to bring up. I actually found it somewhere. Here we go. Okay. So the question as to whether or not you can do stuff at low power. Can everybody see this right here?
Yes.
Okay. Have you seen this before?
Well, not with your name on it.
Yes. Does anyone know what this says?
Work all states.
Yes, but notice where it's from.
/5 QRP. You did a QRP.
It was
EM34.
EM34, Arkadelphia, Arkansas. I was on 2 work trips to Arkadelphia, Arkansas, in September and then again in January. And after my September trip, in which I was there for 9 days, I realized that operating with my mag loop on the 3rd floor of my hotel, inside the room, running 5 watts, I had confirmed 44 states. So I then said, on my next trip, I am going to finish this damn thing. I'm going to get my award. I'm going to get my award, and I'm going to be done. And it worked. And I hate to go, but I do actually have to run. I have another meeting to get to. So,
Thanks, Scott.
everybody, thank you so much. This was fun.
Thank you.
Stay in
Thank you,
touch, and
Scott.
we'll see you on the air.
Scott,
Thank
thank you
you.
very much. This
Thank
was
you.
very,
Thank you.
very
Thank you.
informative.
Very, very good. Thank
Cool.
you.
Good
And
night,
I'm
all.
looking for the after-school party.
Excellent.